Howdy folks, it's Mud Flaps again. I'm in London, Kentucky. I'm here to pick up this backhoe back there. I'm gonna put it up on my truck. It's about 7 o'clock Eastern time. Got my ramp set down well, we got one problem. Front tire's flat. Get this. It's all bent up and it does not hold air. So what I'm planning to do is kind of use the bucket and scoot it along the ground, take a little pressure off of that tire. Anyway, I'm going to set you up on the trailer and y'all can watch me load this backhoe. There you go, boys and girls. That rim is all banged and battered up. They just told me to go ahead and load it just like that. When they get back to the shop in Tennessee, they're gonna fix it. They didn't want to spend the money to fix it here, so I just went ahead and loaded it like that. They'll fix it later on. But we got her on the trailer. Looks like a 580 Super M. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time around.